Hey, what's up guys? How are you doing today? Yeah, in this video we're gonna be discussing about how to make money on Fiverr, and this video is gonna be beginner friendly because we are going to discuss in details on how you can make money on Fiverr if you have a skill and yet you don't know how to make money on Fiverr, or you don't know how to put things together so that you can start making money on Fiverr. So I want to say that no matter what your niche is, no matter what, there are different types of niche on Fiverr in which you can definitely put into or create a gig within, because there are, I can even say there are different I don't know the niche you are or this kind of skills you are, but of course you will definitely see the category that your niche or your skill belongs to once you visit the Fiverr marketplace. So let's now take, for instance, you have chosen your skill on Fiverr. Then the next thing is for you to proceed on setting up your account, and also I'll be telling you what you need to put in together so that you'll be successful on the Fiverr marketplace. So yeah, the first thing you need to do is taking note of how you set up your Fiverr account, like your profile, because these are very, very important. You need to put everything in well arranged stage. So the first thing is inputting your name, your pictures, your description about yourself, about your service, which will be in the Fiverr description, not a gig description, I mean Fiverr profile. So after you setting up your Fiverr profile, verifying your email or your phone number, then the next thing for you to do is creating a gig of your service. So creating the gig of your service, that is where you have a lot of things to showcase your service, because if you don't set this up well, definitely you won't be able to make sales on Fiverr. So the first thing you'll be setting up is your Fiverr gig title. So this gig title require a lot of work, because if you don't know anything about how Fiverr works or anything about SEO, definitely you might find it so difficult to optimize or to input the relevant words for yourself. So I have made a lot of different videos regarding Fiverr. So I also dropped a video 2 days ago about how you can come up with Fiverr gig title, gig tags, and also your description. So I'll advise you watch that video. You can see the link in the right or the left side of this video. So you can click on the video to watch, then you will see how I explain in details how you can come up with your gig title, tags, and description. So I explained about that, and also I'll be giving you more tips on this in this video too. So your gig title is very, very important. Then after choosing your gig title, the next thing is for you to choose the best category that is well described or well set up for your gig or for your niche. So choose the right category for your gig, then come down to your gig description and choose or select or research the best description for your gig. So after that, then you click on save. Then the next page is for you to choose or to input your package. So on Fiverr we have 3 packages, which the first one is the basic package, the second one is standard, and the third one is premium. So all these packages are different, and you have to explain what each buyer will get once they purchase your basic package, your standard, or your premium package. So you have a page or a box where you can explain or input the words on what they will get on each package. So after that, you can there is an option for what's that, express delivery, sorry. So there's a page for express delivery if you can deliver within 24 hours, 2 days, regarding the fact that your normal delivery time is more than the express delivery. So you can choose that one and also input the price that you charge for that. So after that, you click on the save, and then the next thing is gig description. This gig description is where you explain everything about your gig, either the basic, the standard, or the premium. So you explain everything over there, then buyer will see what they are buying, and also tell them or explain to them why they should buy your service and what they will get once they buy your service, why they should trust you, and also your previous project, so they will know that you qualify for them on their project. So after that, you click on save, then you move on to instruction or requirement regarding the project. So after a buyer have make a purchase on your gig, so definitely there will be a page where they will drop everything that will help you to execute their project. So you have a page where you tell them what you actually need from them, so that you can start or get started on the project. So after that, we have gig image, gig videos. So these are two options and they are different. So gig image is where you design a pictures of you or related to your service. So you tell them, or you design something that will kind of like eye-catchy, and of course that is what they will see before they even click on your gig. So there is a gig image as well, where you explain in details about your gig or about your service. So that is different. And also Fiverr tell us that having a gig video on your gig will definitely help you to rank more higher. So I think gig video is perfect. I don't know, but I don't used to use it, but yeah, it works. So then you click on save, then the next thing is publish your gig. And lately, if you found yourself that you are into anything like writing niche, so definitely there is a test for you to do before you can publish your gig on Fiverr. So I don't think that that's kind of hard. It's not hard. Within 5 to 6 minutes you're done with the test. So yep, then publish your gig. Then lately you can apply for buyer request if you are kind of like new to Fiverr, or you don't know how to quickly secure a job. So, and if you are kind of like be in high saturated niche, so definitely use Fiverr gig promotion. Promote your gig on social media platforms, send the buyer request, and with that, I believe if you do all these things in the right way, definitely you'll be able to land your first sale within a month, and let me say within a week, because you're kind of like beginner, and then there is a little on how you can go on setting up a Fiverr account. But of course, if you watch most of my videos, definitely you won't find it so hard to get your first sales within a week. I promise you that. But if you kind of like, okay, let me just follow this video and set up everything without seeing how everything is done, so definitely it's kind of my hard for you small. But definitely I promise you that if you follow every step I explain, you'll be able to make your sales within 30 days on Fiverr. So with that being said, I believe most of my videos have been helping a lot of people. I can understand that, I can say that, even though if nobody tell me, so I can say that, and I promise to offer you more valuable content just as this. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.